to change the name of your PlayStation for your network, and you again, on your network, you want to be able to identify your PlayStation due to the name of it. What you can do is go to your home screen here, go up, go all the way to settings, go all the way down until you see system. Click on system, go to system information here at the top, click on it, and on name, just simply click name and give it a name. So there are here it says right here, it says speed up your text entry. There are a few ways to enter text, just giving a few tips or whatever, but you can just go ahead, enter the name of your PC here, and I can name, again, not the name of your PC, but the name of your PlayStation here, sorry. Enter the name of your PlayStation that you want, click done when you are finished, and there you go. So you change the name of your PlayStation 4. Thank you guys for watching. If you needed help changing the name of your PlayStation 4 for network, whatever, like you need it for your network to be able to identify your PlayStation 4, this is the video for you. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, leave it in the comment section below, or message me on Twitter. But like and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of content coming out, so just stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Every word, but talk straight. Whole life in a copy paste. Talking about my mistakes, I guess you can't relate to the path that I chose to take. A picture walk that attacked on my face, feel like a promise.